Welcome, and thank you for choosing Vamos Academy. You are about to start the registration process, and we would like to take this opportunity to explain the different steps and how long the registration will take you. The first step is about filling out the student profile. This will take you about 2 minutes. The second step is about understanding your language background and current experience with Spanish. This should take you about 3 to 5 minutes. The third step is about choosing what type of courses you would like to enroll in and selecting the start and end dates. This step should take you 2 to 5 minutes. After selecting all the course details, you will be asked to sign our terms and conditions. Once you accept and confirm all the information, the system will ask you next to take the level test. This last point only applies to students that have some pre-existing level of Spanish. If you are an absolute beginner, this step is not necessary for you. Thank you.